Ah, shit! Hey, we have 3 objectives. First objective, what are viruses? Second objective, how they are spread. Third objective, how they affect us.
Not all people are aware of what viruses are.
What are viruses, Angel?
A virus is a small infectious agent that can only replicate inside the cells of another organism or a host.
They are non-living and very harmful. Unlike bacterial infections, viral infections cannot be cured with antibiotics. They get better on their own.
However, with the use of vaccinations, the spread can be prevented.
The more people who are vaccinated reduces the amount of infection in a population, protecting even those who are not vaccinated. This is called herd immunity.
Viruses are passed on by sneezing and coughing, or by touching someone who has the viral infection.
This is why it's important to cough or sneeze into tissues. If you didn't notice, I was coughing.
And to wash hands regularly.
It's important to clean everything you have regularly with these things. Clorox antibacterial wipes.
He's already wiping it.
So, as you can see, you have to get it all wet. All that juicy stuff is all the antibacterial, infectious disease stopping stuffs. As you can see, this is pretty dirty. That means someone doesn't clean this.
So this is my good friend Bob. Bob here has a virus. Viruses can affect the immune and cardiovascular system. The cardiovascular system, which consists of the heart, arteries, veins, as you can see. It relates to viruses because the harmful pathogens found in viruses are carried through the cardiovascular system or the transport system. It relates to the immune system because the antibodies are used to fight off against viruses, and the immune system is what releases those antibodies. And now it's time for our Did You Know segment.
Dun, dun, dun. Did you know Walter Reed discovered the first human virus, yellow fever virus, in 1901?
Did you know the name virus was coined from the Latin word meaning slimy, liquid, or poison?
Did you know the first human influenza virus was isolated in 1933? In 2005, the 1918 pandemic influenza virus strain was constructed from nucleic acid sequence obtained from the victims of the disease.
Did you know there are 1 million virus particles per milliliter of seawater for a global total of 10 to the 30th virons? Lined up end to end, they would stretch 200 million light years into space.
Did you know the genetic information of viruses can be DNA or RNA, single or double-stranded, one molecule or in pieces?
Covered in a protein coat gives viruses their shape. They are really, really small, you can't see them. They're not a living cell, nor are they dead as well. Their insides of DNA can ruin your happy day. Oh, but viruses mutating all the time. Those viruses come in all shapes and different sizes. They can make you feel so sick. Oh, sometimes latent just where you may not know they exist. In a host they'll reproduce and all be loose. They're all on the loose. Vaccines can often save you and your day. They can help to keep the virus away. Bodies try to fight them all off. They do their job so you won't sneeze and you won't cough. Oh, but viruses, one thing that you should probably know about the common cold is that there are too many viruses.
Hey, Angel, what are you doing?
Oh, hey Tristan. I'm just looking at some cool viruses. You want to see?
Sure.
Yeah, so those are some pretty common viruses that's, popular, especially in the United States population.
Our friend Vladimir here is sick. He's not feeling good.
So Vladimir here has a flu virus. The thing about flu viruses is every time you catch the flu, it's always a different virus because your body grows immune to the pathogens that first harmed you.
Hey, Brandon, let's be blood brothers.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Stop!
Bloodborne diseases are spread through the contamination of blood. Most common examples include HIV, hepatitis B, hepatitis C, and viral hemorrhagic fevers. It's difficult to determine the pathogens in any given blood sample, some of which are lethal. Therefore, you should not come in contact with another person's blood because there are countless types of viruses they can have. Now it's time for our assessments.
What are viruses?
Can you cure viruses?
Can you grow immune to viruses?
What are viruses codes composed of?
What is used to prevent viruses?
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true, you're a pal and a confidant.
Oh, you gotta joke with it for a blooper. You gotta be like, what is this? Yo. No, I can't do that. I'm black, dude. I'm black.
You're black, so you can't do it.
What am I supposed to say? Brandon, let's be brother. Blood brothers. Brandon, let's be blood brothers.